Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be making a vinyl zippered bag. They are so easy to make and a lot of fun and very useful for so many different things. I bought mine at Amazon. They have a big selection. The bags I've been making, I've been cutting them to 9 1/4 by 8 1/4. You want to have a zipper that is about 2 inches longer on each end. You could make this any size you want. Just want to pin it down and put your zipper foot on, and then just sew that down. Once you get that sewed down, you're going to want to bend the leather back like I'm doing here, and you're going to want to sew that down. That will keep that from getting into the zipper as you use the bag. Then once you have that side done, you just want to flip it over and then sew the other side down. These Wonder Clips are wonderful. They work great. Then once you have that down, you want to unzip it as far as you can so you can sew the other side down, the vinyl that is by the zipper. Want to make sure you get it nice and tight there. With the zipper being extra long, it is easy to get right where you need to be with the zipper. Then once you get it all done like that, you get to choose where you want the zipper to be. I like it down just a little bit, but you could make it at the top, have the zipper at the top. I like to go over the zipper a couple times to make it extra strong. Just backing up and going back and forth. Make sure your zipper is unzipped so you can turn the bag inside out or back to the original side. Then you want to cut off the extra zipper. Any loose strings. And then you want to zigzag along that edge just to give it a little bit more stability. And for this, I put my regular foot back on. Do the same thing on the other side. And that is pretty much it. You just flip it in the other way so it is the right way. Make sure the corners are out and be careful not to use anything real sharp. It will poke through. I have been having a lot of fun making these. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe and hit the like button.